Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on dark mode in Windows. So if you have Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to turn on or enable dark mode, then here are the steps you need to take. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and click on the start button, select settings. Once you selected settings, locate the left side and click on personalization. Once you click on that, go ahead and click on color to expand it. Once you expanded color, then come to here, say choose your mode and then set this to dark. Then instantly your Windows laptop, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, is going to turn on dark mode on your device, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to turn on dark mode in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.